This is a quick demo of writing a JavaScript plugin for Octant. First, we'll install the yo command. We provide a yo generator to help you scaffold out an Octant plugin. Next, we'll install the Octant plugin generator. Then we'll create a test plugin folder and we'll use the generator to scaffold our project. This will generate some files as well as do the npm install for all of the dependencies. We can see we have some node modules, package files, some tsconfig and webpack config. And then we also have this source tree. In here, you'll see your test plugin as well as the Octant libraries. Let's go ahead and open up the test plugin. You can see it's a simple plugin. It works with v1 pod. It's going to install and write a config entry into the pod summary with the heading from plugin and the message my bold and empty text. Let's go back to the terminal and see what our options are for developing. If we look at our npm run options, we'll see we have a few different ones. The one we're going to use today is the plugin watch option. This will watch for any changes you make to the plugin and install them into the plugin folder in real time. This allows you to make changes and see them updated in Octant as you make them. You can see now after running plugin watch, we now have our test plugin installed. Let's go ahead and change the description. We've changed our description to a simple pod plugin, and we see that reflected here. Let's actually go look at the pod summary and make sure that our plugin is doing what we expect. We can see our entry from plugin, bold and emphasized text. Let's go ahead and change that. Now we call it plugin message and we change the and to an ampersand. One final thing we'll show quickly is that plugins can act as modules. What it means for a plugin to be a module is that it will get a left-hand menu entry as well as custom content. I have a menu entry prepared that I will paste in. And before I save this file, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the plugin listing here. We can see that currently our plugin capabilities is just printer config. I'll go ahead and save. And now we can see that it's a module. We also see that we have our new menu, which is the plugin menu that we just created. Let's go ahead and change one of those options. I've updated my menu, and now you'll see that reflected here. Now, if we go back to the terminal, when I'm done, if I decide that I don't want my plugin to be installed anymore, I can just go ahead and remove it from the octant-plugin folder. Now, once that plugin is removed, the page will refresh and you'll see that there is no longer any plugin.